Foot and ankle is in a really exciting period of time, whether it's minimally invasive surgery, total ankle replacement, 3D printing, biologics, or smart implants. All of this is allowing us to deliver higher quality care with better outcomes for patients. Hi, I'm Dr. Selene Parekh, and I'm a foot and ankle surgeon here at Rothman Orthopaedics. One of the reasons I'm so excited to be a part of this group is that it is extremely collaborative, and our team is constantly trying to integrate novelties in foot and ankle care and help develop new techniques, technologies, and implants to elevate patient care throughout the world. Foot and ankle is highly complex. Some would argue one of the more complicated parts of entire orthopedics. So to get the expertise of an individual who spends their entire career just on that part of the body is important. That deep expertise means that you have a person who really understands the intricacies of the anatomy, the biology, and the symptoms that you may have so you can be diagnosed more effectively and treated more effectively. Our team in foot and ankle has been involved in all forms of innovation, from minimally invasive surgery to designing and researching total ankle replacements, 3D printing of implants to replace entire bones, and even biologics and smart technologies. We're even using artificial intelligence to really implement and advance patient care. Our foot and ankle team is seen as being on the cutting edge of what is going on. Our team is involved in researching, developing, designing, and describing techniques that are being used throughout the world for foot and ankle care. At Rothman Orthopaedics, we are pushing foot and ankle forward.